How are you, teacher? A common greeting in schools in China has become increasingly popular among students in Tanzania's Zanzibar, where Li Yaya, an associate professor of Chinese language and literature, has been volunteering to teach Chinese for more than 10 years. At the Zhendao Secondary School, about 20 students are learning the Chinese language.
大家对老师呢这个职业的人，对我们中国人尤其是特别尊重，而且他们也喜欢学汉语。我学生跟我年龄差不多，然后他把我也当成家人，每到新年或者是穆斯林的节日啊，我都去他们家过节，所以说也有了这种归属感。
Li said that during the past decade, she has taught more than 1,000 students in and out of schools, and some of them have now become Chinese language teachers.
从很老7、80岁的老人到小朋友2、3岁的小朋友，他们对中国的态度，我明显的感觉到比较前面那些年，他们来学汉语是处于想找一个工作，现在变成一个就是说他们希望在自己的国家就能懂汉语，然后呢读到中国的故事，因为来的中国人很多，他们希望就是说有机会能直接跟他们交流。
Abida Sham Nasser is among the Chinese language teachers trained by Li. She said that she began learning the Chinese language in 2022 in order to advance her academic career and learn more about Chinese culture.
Our teacher is very sacrificing a lot of her time and energy and facilities to make sure that we learn well. For instance, she makes us meet a lot of Chinese people and they give us a help to develop our learning. So I want to tell her that we love her so much and we are happy for what she gives us, and we want to tell her to continue giving us support in many things.
朋友在哪里？在长城，在北京。